If you're looking to make a quick, attention-grabbing video for your website or blog, you can use YouTube to your advantage. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you get started. 1. Choose a relevant topic. If your video is about computers, for example, make sure to include computer-related content. 2. Make your video short. A short, concise video is more likely to be shared on social media or viewed by a large audience. 3. Use catchy music and visuals. Add catchy music and visuals to help your video stand out. 4. Use a storyboard. A storyboard is a visual guide that helps you plan out your video before you shoot it. This will help you avoid any errors and make sure your video flows smoothly. 5. Shoot your video in high quality. Shoot your video in high quality to give it a polished look. 6. Use keywords in your video title and description. Including keywords in your video title and description will help it rank higher in search engines. 7. Use YouTube annotations. Annotations are text boxes